Hey there YouTube, thanks very much for joining me. I'm Dean, this is Woodwork Journey, and this is a super quick video, and so the sound might not be great and all that sort of stuff, but I've got a storage solution for you that's not going to cost you very much money at all, and it's super easy. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so if you've been watching for a while, you may have noticed that my workshop has got messier and messier and messier, and what we've got going on right here behind me is pretty darn horrific, to be fair. I'm trying really hard to tidy things up, but I've said before, and this isn't going to help my case, but even this stuff that I've just made this sort of multi-function bench kind of affair, when this is all finished, I'll then be able to remove the router table, which is over in the corner, and I'll also be able to take this unit down, which is going to mean that I can make some more units with smaller drawers, so I've got more places to put stuff, because that's a problem. Most of my stuff doesn't have a home. So when it comes to all of this nonsense, all of this stuff going on right here, I mean, this is horrific, but it generally just doesn't have a home, and that's what the problem is. So what I've got here, hopefully, will be the fix for all of that, and I think you can get them for like between 10 and 20 quid on Amazon. I'll leave links down below and all that sort of nonsense, but yeah, let's see if this works first, shall we? I know the sound isn't going to be great because I'm further away from the camera. I'm not wearing a microphone today, but I had one of these in my old studio, and the wife suggested, why don't I use it again? And initially, because it wasn't my idea, said no, I don't need that, and then as usual she was right. So this is some behind the door storage, and what happens is we've got these little hooks that go over the door, and then you've got a ton of storage, and these are meant for sneakers, trainers, shoes, and all that sort of stuff. But I think I can get a ton of stuff in here, so let's just see how we get on. Four hooks to distribute the weight evenly across everything. Right, and I think we'll start with finishes and stuff. My favourite YouTuber waxes, some stuff from the Rag and Bone Brown channel, and Leo at the Handicraft channel. I've still got the video to do on these, but I've got some lemon shellac flakes, and I've also got some carnauba wax and some natural beeswax that we're going to be making a few finishes with, and one of them is going to be a coloured finish. Get the glues in that I regularly use. I need to make a holder for all these rags that I can't have a cheap bed sheet, but we'll store some of them in there for now. Chuck some wood filler in there as well as some Loctite. I'll pop my epoxies and JB Weld in that one as well. All right, and so that's a whole bunch of stuff in there. I'm sure that's going to change. But I've created some space over there. I've got some freer shelves now, so what I can do is start giving homes to some of the crap that I've got over there and start to work through it. But that, again, less than 15 quid I think that was. I'll leave a link down below, but it's just a real simple storage, and put in there whatever you like. Happy days.